Ochanya! Justice for Ochanya! Justice for Ochanya! Justice for Ochanya!
Reporting live where hundreds have gathered tonight to demand accountability for Ochanya.
We demand a full investigation. Ochanya must get justice. We will not rest until the truth is known.
Justice for Ochanya! Justice for Ochanya!
The calls keep growing louder here on the expressway tonight. We'll continue to follow the story.